I actually got it on the first try. Broken down there.
Biscuit. I hate this thing. Screw this. Being on would be helpful.
I'm sorry. It was on there. He can't do this. Ha 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 ha. I could have sworn I just saw something. That was weird. I'm closed out. I can't ever go back in. You guys probably get tired of seeing the same old thing, because this is all I do with my dirt bike. Ride around on his property. But hey, it's okay, because I still get like 4 views a video, so that's cool. Man, this thing's vibrating a lot. Never done that. I'm not complaining. Oh my goodness, their ground is bumpy. I'm gonna go around the pond. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh gosh, that's wet. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh, that was a big bump. Oh, oh, my stomach is in my butthole right now. Hi, Sheriff. So I need like a topic to talk about. I guess that's the hardest part about moto vlogging is you just get so distracted by the fun that you're having that you don't talk. So what do you guys do for fun? This is what I do for fun. Oh, and also what are your jobs? I work at an auction right now. I changed jobs. You heard my previous job, but I changed jobs. I work at an auction house and I just move furniture all day. And it's actually really fun. I like both of my jobs actually. Washing cars is actually pretty fun. There's T-Ruck. She's jealous. You'll win. You'll win. I have to shift like 5 times before you shift once.
Like, do you want to roll or do you want to disrupt?
We can go from a stop. Whoa.
You did a wheelie?
I did like 2 wheelies, like when I first started, and then the first and second. That was scary, man. Dude, it sounded sweet though. Actually, that was the first time I actually got up to like high RPMs. It sounded cool. It was like. He's a cool dude. Oh, I forgot to do this. So Zeke and I will probably go watch some videos in the basement. Like we go and plug in our SD cards and watch our videos together just to see how great they are. And I'm gonna leave him a little message. So Zeke, this part's for you. You're a fuck. I'm gonna cut this part out. Zeke, you're a bitch. Cut out that previous part because I was just cussing up a storm, man. Oh, said every cuss word I knew. This is for Zeke. Marry me. Man, freaking dirt bikes. They're so much fun. That's all, folks.